Today I'm making kitchen sink bars with a caramel center. First I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of caramels and a splash of heavy cream, and I'm going to put this in the microwave until it's melted. Next, in a large bowl I have 1½ sticks of softened butter. Then I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Then 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and mix this up until it's light and fluffy. Next add 1½ cups of flour. Then mix that up until it's combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of potato chips and then 1/4 of a cup of each of pretzels, chocolate chips, and peanut butter chips. Mix this up until the dough comes together. Now I have an 8x8 pan that I greased and lined. I'm going to add half of the dough into the pan and press it in. Next I'm going to add the melted caramel and spread that out. Then I'm going to take pieces of the rest of the dough and press it out and then place it on top of the caramel, and then I'm going to bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. Once the bars were done baking, I let them cool for 2 hours before slicing into them, and here's an up-close look.